Flashwords English.
100 vehicles name in English. Car, taxi, bus, minivan, truck, pickup truck, motorcycle, scooter, bicycle, electric bike, train, tram, subway, skateboard, roller skates, Segway, golf cart, tractor, fire truck, police car, ambulance, garbage truck, tow truck, tanker truck, armored vehicle, forklift, cement mixer, bulldozer, excavator, crane, road roller, snow plow, van, limousine, convertible, sports car, race car, monster truck, delivery van, rickshaw, tuk-tuk, horse-drawn carriage, camper van, motorhome, quad bike, go-kart, hoverboard, wheelchair, hand cart, baby stroller, airplane, helicopter, hot air balloon, glider, drone, fighter jet, cargo plane, space shuttle, private jet, motor glider, zeppelin, paraglider, gyrocopter, blimp, seaplane, air taxi, boat, ship, cargo ship, cruise ship, ferry, sailboat, yacht, submarine, canoe, kayak, jet ski, fishing boat, speedboat, tugboat, houseboat, rowboat, paddle boat, catamaran, oil tanker, naval ship, cable car, chairlift, funicular, shopping cart, ice cream truck, food truck, snowmobile, dog sled, luggage trolley, airport shuttle, Mars rover, electric unicycle, water taxi, amphibious vehicle, hybrid car, water truck.